Hello. In this short video, I want to talk about the new things that have shipped as part of the 0.13.0 release of the Visual Studio Code extension for Cake. Now, in this release, there wasn't much in the way of new features added. You can see here that we've just got a bug-related issue and some security-related issues. Now, there are 21 different issues mentioned on this set of release notes. However, the majority of those issues are build related issues. So they are pull requests that have come in from Dependabot, where we're bumping individual components that we depend on as part of our build process in order to actually create the extension. So those don't get mentioned explicitly in the release notes, but if you want to find out about all that information, you certainly can by drilling down into the 21 issues. The main issue that were mentioned here is the inability to activate the extension. So what would happen was if you would come into Visual Studio Code and you would attempt to install the extension, like I have here, it would actually fail to install. Now, the reason it would fail to install is because one of the dependencies that we take on our extension in order to make things work properly within the extension and to get the best experience is we take a dependency on the C# extension for Visual Studio Code. Now, what happened was that extension got renamed. Now, it was thought that the renaming process wouldn't have any adverse effect on any upstream dependencies that take a dependency on it. Unfortunately, that wasn't the case. So in order for our extension to continue working, we had to change the name of the dependency that we take within our extension manifest. So that's really why we released this version. And we also took the opportunity to address some security-related versions in some of the dependencies we take. So it was a good opportunity to do that. But essentially, that's all that there is in this release. So not much to it. But hopefully this has been useful. If you have any questions about the extension or anything Cake related, feel free to get in touch. Thank you very much.